Hello guys, welcome to the channel where you get updates on how to make money online, Forex No Deposit Bonus, and most times crypto talks. Now in today's video I'll be discussing with you on how you can get a free $50 no deposit bonus, which I already claimed, and I'll be showing you process on how to do so also. Now the best thing you need to do is to pay attention, listen carefully, and follow this video step by step so that you won't miss out on any update, any steps I take in this video. Now if you actually missed out on my previous videos where I actually made videos on other no deposit bonus which you can still claim, you can see it right here on the screen right here. You can just click on it and go through them to see the ones which you can still claim. Now proceeding to the video, but firstly let's take this moment to subscribe to the channel. If you're just coming across the channel, kindly click on the subscription button, and in the comment section leave your favorite trading pair, which will actually make me interact with you, and I'll leave a message, a reply for you. So proceeding with the video, I'll be adding a link to the comment section which you should actually click on. That will bring you to this portal right here where you have to sign up with a broker. Now notice we're actually going to be getting this bonus from this broker which we're actually going to sign up with right now. So if you take note of the language, you can see it in another language which I don't understand. But one issue I have about this site is that for each page I open, you have to translate to English. For each new page you move to, you translate to English. You can see I just translated it to English now. And you can see we have to fill in our details. You input your name, your last name, you input your email address, and input your birthday, put your country of residence, and they ask the question, where did you find us? You should select, and you can actually select others for like the options there are just Facebook and other this thing, but YouTube is not actually there, but you can select others. And for the code you can just leave that blank, and the next part, you create a password, a security password, and you can see the requirement for the password which is showing right here. So once you create the first password, you have to repeat it right here in this box right showing down here. You input the password and repeat it again. So you click on the agreement, confirm the agreement, and click on this box right here that says I'm not a robot, a quick captcha. You click on it. You can see I just did mine, and after filling every single details, you click on register. Now you can see it has been successful. Your registration was successful, and a code has been sent to our email which we'll be using to verify in order to be able to log in to the next portal, to the main site. Now the next thing we need to do is to go straight to our email to get the link. Now it's actually a link which should be sent to our email, something like this, and this aspect is what you're actually going to click on, which should bring you back to the portal. You'll be logged in automatically into the site. Now you can see details about the about this site, about the broker. You can see what you have to do. You can actually like setup about of this broker. I like the color they used, and everything's looking sharp and nice. Now you can see how to translate it back again to English. Like I said, this thing is frustrating. You have to keep translating for each page you open. Translate back to English. Now without wasting time, we have to complete this 3 steps to be able to get the free no deposit bonus account. So if you scroll down to the bottom, you can see every details. There's a demo account which has been opened automatically on your behalf, but that's not why we are here. So we have to complete these 3 steps to be able to claim the bonus account. Now you can see there's first personal details, secondly your financial information, and your document. Now if you click on it, you can see it brought details like this, and we've already filled in our name, but the next part is to input the address of our location, which is also what we'll be using for verification. So you input it, and at the bottom also you input the address line too. So the next part, once you're done inputting the address, you can see I just did mine. So you click on send, and if you look at the bottom right here, you see profile completed. The next thing to do is to click on next step, which I just did. Now this aspect is for financial information about yourself. Now your annual income, your estimated net worth, fill in every details and click on next, and you can see I just did that. And the next part is for me to submit my documents for verification. You can see it right here. So you just have to click on continue. After taking a look at every details, you agree to the consent of submitting your details, and also they will be doing a live check. And to be sincere, I almost lost my neck all in the name of doing a live check. Now if you click on continue, which will actually bring you to this part right here, where you have to select the type of document you'll be using for verification. Now you can see there's ID card. That's what I selected, and it brought me to this part where I will have to click on continue, and then it will direct me to my camera or to my gallery where I would have to upload. But if you're having it at hand, you can just click on it and select camera, and just you can see it right here. Either you click on continue to camera or you click on upload document. So you do this part and then move to the next part by taking a photo of the back side, and after that you'll be taken to where you do the live check. Now after completing all those parts and wait for some moments, now once you get verified, you would have this mark showing at the top of your screen right here, this small mark that shows green, this green mark right here. Now you see mine has been verified, and the next thing I need to do is to create a trading account. Now if you scroll down to the bottom to this aspect right here, you can see add real account. Now we are creating a real account where the $50 will be credited into. Now you scroll back there, you see add real account. You can see it right here, add real account. It's actually what we are going to click on. Now once you click on it, it brings you to this page, this page right here, where you select the type of platform you want, the account type. I selected regular account, this first one at the top here. I selected the regular account, and for the currency I chose USD, and the leverage I chose the highest, the biggest leverage, which is 100, and I agree to the terms and condition and click on open real account. Now immediately after clicking on it, just have to wait for it to load, and you see a real account have been opened on our behalf. You see it actually changed to Spanish back, but just leave it, and since we know the account has been opened, I tried translating it so that we can just read this concept right here, but it's actually taking time, so I had to just skip it and go to the next part. Now to see the account we opened, you can see it right here showing on the screen. This is details of the account. If you scroll up a little bit, you can see it right here. See the account details right here, and the $50 ready in the account. Now if you go to your email, if you go straight to your email right now, they would have sent login details for MT5 into that email, but you can just take a proper look at this account right here, these details. But now we need to go to our email to confirm the login details, which is actually what I'll be doing right now. So from here, we are going straight to the login to our email to get the details. So just to email. Now you see at the top right here, see the mail at the top right here, and you can see the details is actually in another language, in Spanish. So this, I'll just show you the server part. I'll take a proper look at this side. This is the server, which is actually what we'll be using in the MT5, and the password also. You can see the account number, you can see it at the top, and the password. Don't forget, you can see investor, that's the investor password, but we're not using that. We are using the one at the top. That's the password we'll be using for MT5. Now I actually copied the server, pasted it here. You can see Trenton server. In case you don't see it well in your email, that's the server, that's the name of the server we are going to use, Trenton server. And you input it and go back to the email to copy your account number. Go back here, paste it, and also I'll be doing the same thing for the password also. You copy the password also and come back here to paste it. Now putting every single details, after putting every details, you click on login and take a look at mine right here. Immediately I clicked on login, you see it has been successful, and all these details you skip them and just go straight, click on trade shown down here, and you can see the balance on the screen. Now you can see I already started trading mine, and I've been making a little bit of profit. I don't want you to miss out on this. But for the terms and conditions, I chatted their support, I emailed them, and I'm still expecting the terms and conditions. So once I get the email, I'll drop in the group, and also I'll drop the link to the comment section also for you to get the email for the terms and conditions. So don't miss out on this, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like, share, and turn on your notification in case of next time, so you won't miss out on updates like this. Have a nice day, guys.